Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Square to build your own website. So let's get started. First of all, you need to create your account from Get Started, or you need to sign in if you already have an account. Here I will just enter my login credentials, then I will be back in a second. After signing in, this is how your website will look like, or your Square account will look like. So basically, to start creating your own website, we can go to online here, click on it. Then you can navigate downwards until you have your website, or you can just go here to your company's name and click on the drop-down menu. Then you can select either to edit your website if you already have a website, or you can just add a site from here. I am working on the free plan, so I'm not sure if it will allow me to publish 2 websites. However, I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna name my website as Volt, which is the brand name of my company. And I will skip the other location and the other information, which is not required. It's just optional. So it's an add-on if you wanted to add it. If you don't want, it's up to you. And now we have landed on this page. So to create your website, you need first to select a theme. So I will go ahead and select it. Now you can scroll down and see the one which is suitable for you. So I think this one is good enough for me. I will just go to, if you want to preview it first, you can click on Explore. If you want to select the theme directly, you can press on Select Theme. And now it asks me if I want to upgrade. However, I'm going to start with my free plan here. And I'm going to press on continue and wait for it to load. And now this is how your template will look like. So basically, I will choose the view to be desktop view instead of mobile view. And the best way to start editing your own template is by just navigating to different components on the left menu. So if you want, for example, to start editing, you can start from top to bottom. So we will start first by editing our header by clicking on it here, and then it will open more properties that you can use to edit. So here, by clicking on this navigation, you will notice that these 2 buttons will disappear because these 2 buttons are navigating buttons. So by clicking on them, it will transmit you to another pages. So you can disable them or enable them. You can also edit links to control where these buttons will redirect users when they click on them. This is done by clicking on Edit Navigation Link, and then you will be able to choose where it will link you to when you click on it as a user. Next, you can also edit and customize layout and color. So basically, you can choose layout to be different than this based on your criterion. So I guess this one is good enough. You can also choose different color. You can also choose the background. So you can choose whether it's transparent, custom color, gradient, image. So I may consider it to be a gradient, and I may choose the color to be from this to that. And you can also choose whether it will be radial like this or linear. I guess the radial is better. You can also add another color. You can control your logo from here. You can choose whether it's a text or an image. So I guess an image will be better. So I will just add an image from my own device, and I will add it randomly. Just like that. And I will press on done, and it will be added like that. You can also add another button here. You can go down like this to control the link to which this button will move you to. You can click on these 3 dots and choose where it will redirect the user. If you want to edit on the text itself, you can just double click on the button and then write the thing you want. Like that. You can also choose the color from here, and you can disable it if you don't need it. So basically, you are done with editing on your header. The rest of the elements will be added the same way. So for example, if I want to edit on my main banner, I can go there. If I want to add an image, there are two possible ways. I can just go to, I can click on my banner here, and I can go to background. I can choose to edit this background by pressing on these three dots and select replace. Then I can upload another random image from my own device, like this. Now by pressing on done, it will be uploaded in a matter of seconds, just like that. And I can also undo this. And instead of adding a whole image for my banner, I can just click on this, and I can go to another layout like this one, which it will enable me to insert text and insert an image as well. By clicking on this square, I can access on add image. By clicking on add image, I can go and add the same image. However, now it will not take the whole banner, or it will not take the whole space. It will just take a short space out of it. I can edit the rest of the elements the same way. All what I need to do is to just go and navigate through different elements, and when I am done editing, I can just go and press on done. Then I can move on to the next element to start editing it and its different features. If you want to add a new section, you can do this by two ways. The first one is to click on this plus sign, then choose to add section. Or you can just add section from here, and now it will ask you what specifically is your section, will your section be. So you can choose it to be one of these branding elements, or you can choose it as a text and image gallery, whatever you want. You can also choose it as inform. You can choose it as a form to gather information, like this one, for example, contact us. If I added it, it will look like this. Bunch of cells that can help you to gather information about your own users or customers. So this is basically how you can edit and how you can add new sections to your own website. So once you are done, you can click here on add. And if you are done editing your own website, you can just go to preview to see the final version and check if you are satisfied with it. So if you are satisfied with both desktop and phone view, you can just go now and click on publish. And now it will ask you about the domain. So if you chose a custom domain, it will ask you to pay for it. If you want something for free, you can either use a domain that you own, or you can just use a Square subdomain like this one. And by clicking on change here, you are giving your website this domain for free. And voila, your site has been published successfully. And this is how easy you can use Square to create your own website for free. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.